Hey everybody, GT here from GT's Barbecue. Hey, today we're going to do up some basic tacos. I have my nice Blackstone Taco Kit here. Got some assorted veggies, got some meat, got some cheese, got my refried beans warming up over here on the griddle top. So stay tuned, I'm going to get some oil down, we'll get this meat going, and this thing shouldn't take very long at all. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. We've got our meat, onions, cilantro, some chives, sour cream, rooster sauce, as I like to call it, sriracha. I've got my nice little Blackstone Taco Kit here. Get ready to use that. I've got my beans kind of warming up here on top of the griddle. Stay tuned, we'll get this meat on and I'll be right back. Okay, let's go ahead and get our meat on here. I have about 1 pound, 80-20 ground beef. I'm gonna hit this with a little oil. Like so. And I'm gonna chop this up. Smells delicious already. Holy moly. Gonna season this up with a little salt, pepper, garlic. Not too much. And I have 1 packet here of chili of taco seasoning. Mix that on there like so. Get that nice and incorporated in. I have my left burner on low. I'll probably turn that off in a minute. It'll stay warm long enough to keep the beans warm. Oh man, that smells good. I have this one on medium, and this one is on low. The far right one is completely off. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Man, that smells like tacos. Okay. Beans are looking good. I'm going to go ahead and turn this burner off. Meat is getting close already. A little bit of this burner oil here. Just going to pop these on real quick. I'm not going to brown them or anything. I just want to soften them up a little bit. Yeah, I picked up this taco kit from Blackstone. It's really cool. Once these things get a little warm, little oil on that one. That's going to be good seasoning for the inside. They're nice and soft. Just going to pop them in like so. Save these guys for later. Oh yeah. Let those sit there for a minute and get happy. Wow, smells like a street fair out here. That's about it for the burger meat. I'm going to go ahead and move my pan up here. And I'm just going to add this meat right to the beans. And just like that, got everything turned on low. Actually turn these off now. Get my spoon going. Get our meat and beans all nice and happy together. Oh man, that smells good. Scrape off of here, get this extra meat off. One of the cool things about this Blackstone is it's really easy to clean. Just get the primary oil off. I'll squirt a little water on it, which will make steam. And this thing will be sanitary as can be. Okay. So there we have that. Got our beans. Get these out of the way here. And this kit actually came with a really nice, handy dandy little, I don't know, spatula of some sort, I suppose. What I'm going to do, use this, get some meat and bean mixture down inside each of these. And this thin spatula really makes it easy to get down in there. This wasn't too much. I don't know. I think it was like 15 bucks, something like that, 20 bucks. They sell them on Amazon. Okay. Stage one. Now we're going to put some of these hard shells in here, like so. And a little more meat and beans. Kind of a double-decker taco here. Sorry about that. That's in the way. Next we're going to put on some onions. Some green pepper, some green onions, chives, just freshly chopped up, like so. A little bit of cheese. Just a blend of Mexican cheese. I'll put on here. A little cilantro. Again, freshly chopped. Not too much, just a little bit for some color, and I love the flavor of fresh cilantro. And just a little squirtaroo, technical term. I'm going to leave one of these plain. Camera girl doesn't care for hot sauce. A little dobble of sour cream. Big dobble. Once again, not a big fan of sour cream. Put a little bit on there for her. And there you have it. Double-decker. Beautiful. I don't know, that probably, I did this in real time, so I don't know, what'd that take, 10 minutes? Gonna be delicious. I'm gonna grab one of these, take a little bite. Oh yeah. The flavors, the crunchy. Oh wow, I'm gonna have to take another bite. These tacos are delicious. Easy to do on the Blackstone Griddle. Takes about 10 or 15 minutes. And voila. It's a definite keeper. Big thumbs up. If you're so inclined, please like and subscribe. And stay safe. And I'll see you next time.